Told me that he don't know how to use packet tracer. You are all my friends. It's not as if I have special friends, so you are my friends, you are my family. So a friend messaged me that he don't know how to use packet tracer, that he would like to learn how to use packet tracer so that he'll be following my tutorials and video. So this video is just basic use of packet tracer. I'll just show you how to pick, select, and it's not very hard. Just show you how to select one of those tools, one of those and hosts and devices, and how to use them. So that's what we'll be doing on this video. It's very short, just 10 minutes video. You understand all the basics about packet tracer so that you too can know how to simulate your network. Thank you. I remain Isaac Aduku, your number one guide and tutor on this platform, on this journey of cybersecurity and networking. Thank you.
So this video is for those that don't know how to use Packet Tracer. Apologies for not showing you how to use Packet Tracer at first. So I'll just show you how the basic things you need to know about Packet Tracer for you to be able to simulate your network or your configuration perfectly. So we'll go down here. As you can see, these are our network devices. And under the network devices, we have our switch, we have our router, we have our hub, we have our wireless devices, we have our firewall, then we have um, our wide area network emulator. So this for our network devices. Then our end devices or our end host. Under the end host, we have our home, we have our offices. So we have our PCs, we have our laptop, server. This one is server. We have our printer, we have our IP phone, we have our voice over IP phone, we have our phones, we have our TV, we have our wireless tablet. So these are the all things you can connect in a local area network. We have our smart device, generic wired, and sniffers. So this is under our end devices. So we will now know the difference between network devices and end devices. So these components, you hardly use this, but it's still useful. Then these are our connections. If you are using this particular, they will automatically choose it. Once you click on this will help you automatically to choose a wired connection. For instance, if you have a router and a switch, if you have a router and a switch, you click on this. Once you click on this, it will help you choose automatically the cabling you need to use for the configuration. So that's basically for this. Then this is our console cable. You know what console cable is used for? If you want to connect to if you want to use your PC or your laptop to do your configuration on your router or your switch. So this, you use a console cable to connect them together. So these are copper straight cable. These are copper crossover cable. These are fiber. These are used for phone. These are coaxial cable. These are serial cable. You know what serial ports? That one usually use nuts. I have two screws behind it I used to tight. The same thing with this, but it's a different brand. Octal IoT for IoT devices. Then USB connection. So this for this, and this is the file like miscellaneous. So miscellaneous, this multi-user connection. So we're done with it down. Let's go for this is like your selection tool, or it's used to pick some. If you want to pick anything, once you click on this, you can use it to pick or select. Do you get? Then this is just like your inspection to zoom and this your delete. It's very important. This is used for deleting. Once you click on it, you can delete any device you don't want to. Okay, this is for resizing. Then this for notes. If you want to make notes, for instance, if you want to label your interfaces, you can use this. For instance, 192.168.1.1. So that's used for notes. I'm not actually using this frequently, so I don't even know. But for this, if you want to, this are sizes. If you want to, for instance, if you want to like separate your network with colors and with shapes, you just select, either you select a triangular shape, you click on this fill color, you select the color you want, either you select from here or you select from here, then you click on OK, then you drag. If you want to select the color, same thing with this, just like your oval shape, take your oval. So that's what basically that's used for. So let's delete them. Let's delete. So take your pictures. Um, if you want to create a new file, this is where you create a new file. This is where you open your current file. Once you click on it, it will show you your current file. Show you your current file. This is where you save. This is where you print if necessary. So you get some information from. This is where your profile is saved. So let me show you all the important. This for your zoom in and zoom out. So if you want to set a background, you come to this side, you set a background, you click on it, then you either use image or you display tile background. Then you click on browse, you select the one you want, so that building, then you click on open, click it, open it, then you apply it. See, it has taken effect. It has taken effect. So that's how you set the background. So if you want to use your real, there's other thing you need to know. For instance, if you connect two devices, like let's say your switch and your router, you connect them with a cable. Now let's use a different, let's say connect this. You notice this light is somehow, this is green, but this side is not green yet. But once you click on this, it's like fast forward. You see, it has taken effect. It's like making this fast, just fast forward it a little bit. So fast forward time. So that's it. Then real time and simulator. If you want to, maybe you ping a device and you want to see how long the pings take from one stop to another, you click on your simulator. Your simulator will help you to do that. Once you be clicking on play or next, it will be taking you to the next phase. And as you can see, so that's the work of the simulator. If you need more information, you just double click on this to bring out, to give you more information. So I don't want this video to be long, but with this information, you can, if you don't have any idea about packet tracer, this should do, and it will help you to get started. So I think this is enough. If you still have any challenge, just go to my comment section and let me know. Then with time we'll get to learn everything together. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share and comment to my channel too. Thank you. For now, we'll be dealing on networking. Once we are done with networking, then we'll move to cyber security with full force. Thank you guys. I remain Isaac.